go up front?
Yes, please. Where are we going today, Dad?
Gold Lake.
Yes, the goldest of the lakes. Hi, Sam and Kenny's vlog. As you can tell, I am not Kenny, I am Shane. But welcome to this week's adventure. Cue Sam's talk.
Welcome to Gold Lake with Shane, my grandpa, my dad, my mom. We're camping midweek. This is right after the Rainier series. Who knows what to expect, but thanks for watching.
We are going to take a little walk around Gold Lake. Gold Lake, where the preservation of rainbow trout is what the state wants. Somebody comes in here, kills the rainbow trout, puts them in the bottom of the creek, just their heads. Evidence of a crime. Call it good and go back because I can't make it to Waldo Lake unless I go 20 miles and I haven't got water.
Hey Ryder, what do you think about camping?
Good.
Hey. Hi Tracy. Just hanging out by the fire.
We're like,
It is?
Oh gosh, while I'm eating.
and they have great big feet. So who's going to be the Bigfoot?
Who those people are?
I think you.
Oh, I'd be the Bigfoot?